Use all the words and make sentences with will.
Astronauts will start their journey to the moon. The journey will take 2 days. They won't arrive soon. They won't get any older. The children will go to sleep soon. Robots will look after us. Robots won't need any food. They will need air. The plane will land at the airport. How long will it take? Where will you live? What will they do after they finish school? Will you see her again? I will do it in a minute. Will you help me? I will buy her a present. She will answer the door. He will send it to me. I will get the bus. I will see you there at 4 o'clock.